Today I'm painting our bedroom. I was in a really grouchy mood yesterday. I don't know, these hormones just like out of nowhere, I'll be having a great day and then out of nowhere I'm like sobbing, crying. And so last night I started crying. I don't have an explanation. I was just feeling sad. I think because it was Jace's last day off and he went back to work today. And so last night I was feeling sorry for myself that I was gonna be alone today. And I just feel like bored a lot of the time. I have stuff to do, but it's like so boring to just be by yourself all the time. Anyways, I was crying. So Jace offered to go buy me paint so that I could paint our bedroom today because he knew that that would make me have something to do that I enjoy. So that's what I'm gonna do today. We went and got the paint. The paint color has been picked out for our bedroom. And I'm gonna do like our bedroom series over on TikTok and Instagram. So if you're interested in seeing like all of that, I'm hoping to have it done by the new year, but I'm gonna be posting it over there. Look at this fancy robe I have on. This is my mom's robe. I think I bought this for her. I just feel so like royal, like the fur. I was feeling cold while I was out here. I made some macaroni and cheese. I made like, what is this? The white shell, you can't even see it. The shells, the white cheddar shells. I don't know what it is. Every time I eat macaroni and cheese like that, like the shells version, I feel gross after. I feel sick. Anyways, our bedroom needs a full makeover, and we tried to do a dresser hack because I want to keep this very like budget friendly. And we bought the Rast dressers from IKEA, and we bought 3 of them thinking, okay, we'll connect all 3 of them so we'll have like a long dresser, and then Jace could put legs on the bottom so it would raise it up a little bit. Well, he brought one in and built it, and it was like toddler sized. It's so small. So somehow my measurements were off with my girl math, and it wasn't gonna work unless we were gonna put like foot long legs on it, and that wasn't gonna work either. So we drove all the way back to IKEA, returned that, got different dressers, and so we have to figure that out later. But the main thing is I need to paint at least one wall in the bedroom today. So let's go look at it. Here's a before of our disgusting room. I sampled the paint colors there. I also did it on that wall. It's just ugly. Our bed, like our duvet, is nowhere to be found. We got new bedding, but it's like not even the right colors. This is like a nightmare. It's just bad. Like the floors, I need to clean the floors today. I need to dust this mirror. It could just be giving so much more, and it's not. Here was our paint palette. I picked all of these shades, and then my mom picked this one, and I was like, ew, that one is not gonna look good in the store, and that's the one that we're painting. So always listen to your mom. I'm gonna get set up in here. This is what I've gotten done so far. And a little bit over here. Jace needs to take the TV down and move this because I'm not supposed to lift anything that heavy. And now, let me show you something. Where's my computer? I came up with the plan for what I want this room to look like. And I showed you before in the other Vlogmas video, which by the way, I didn't upload for 2 days in a row, and it's not for any reason other than I literally forgot I was doing Vlogmas. What are you doing back here? Are you going crazy, boy? Okay, anyways, I've switched around the bedding because this picture, I'll show you, just wasn't feeling right. Let me put it back to how it was and you can see. So this is the vibe that I mocked up. And these are the colors that Parachute sent. By the way, this one we got and it's corduroy and everything sticks to it, and we have 4 dogs, so I can't even use that duvet cover, which I'm so sad about. These came and they're like a little more purpley than I like. I'll show you, it's this sheet here. I just mocked this up in Photoshop, so I took away these. Ignore the bad Photoshop skill because I was just in a hurry. So I went to this website, Bed Threads, where you can build your own bundle. And I start going through everything and I'm like, okay, this is cute. You pick your sheets. I'm like, this is looking good. I don't remember everything that I chose right here, I don't think. But let me see if I can get it. I think this is what I picked out. And I'm like, okay, this is so cute. And I'm like, okay, next step, let's just buy this. In this economy, for like, what, 5 pieces of fabric? No. So anyways, I threw that in here so I could see what it looked like, and I love. So somehow this has to come to life. So me, being the absolute genius that I am, I'm gonna take what we have and I'm gonna dye it myself, and it could go really wrong. Now we already have these bluish, so I'm gonna leave these and see if they look okay. They might be too dark, in which case I could bleach them. However, I bleached something from Parachute before. I had a pair of sheets that were like a bone color, and I accidentally like bleached them. Not a lot, just like a little bit of bleach in the washer, and they turned bright lavender. I don't know how that even happens, but anyways, we're gonna try and dye some stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm scared. Okay, so while all of that is rinsing in the washer, I just remembered that it is my turn to make dinner. So I've buttered a dish. We have like nothing to make like a full meal. We just have random ingredients. So I'm making a breakfast casserole for dinner. We decided like I have 2 nights a week that I'll make dinner, my mom 2 nights a week, and then Jay's 2 nights a week, and the other night we'll order in or go out to dinner. And it's like our first night of doing this routine, and I have no car to go get any ingredients, so they're gonna get what I'm making. So breakfast casserole, I need eggs. We need 12 eggs, I have 10. Off to a great start. So this casserole is just basically gonna be breakfast sausage, hash browns, egg, cheese. Eggs are so nasty looking before they're cooked. One of the first things I ate after not being vegan anymore was eggs, and they still freak me out when I see them in a bowl. Like, whoa. Like, this does not sit right with me. I've got my sparkling cider. I'm reading a recipe too because I'm not gonna mess up dinner on my first night making it, and I never really cook meals anymore for like multiple people. I'll cook meals for myself, but it's like spaghetti. I used to love cooking until I met Jace, and everything he makes just tastes so much better, so it's like, why would I even cook? But most people don't want to come home from work and then cook. We don't have any milk, so I'm using half and half in these eggs. Hope that is the same thing. My mom and I love extra black pepper on everything. Jay's not so much. While I'm standing here, I can tell you that the baby has been moving so much more the past 24 hours. It's kind of freaking me out. At first it was like little movement, like felt like a fish or something in there. And now it's like I can feel a somersault happening or something. It is crazy. It's cool, but I'm halfway, like I'm almost 21 weeks, I think. And I'm just wondering, I've seen videos like where the stomach looks like the baby is trying to like stand up in there. And now I'm a little scared for that. Also having extreme round ligament pain. Why did no one tell me about this? It's so annoying. Eggs are mixed. Sausage is done. Potatoes are soaking in here. I need to clean that up. I'll show you it before I put it in the oven. I feel like a breakfast casserole is about as white trash as you can get for dinner. And I love that for us. Christmas in first sight and the clever kills hoodie.